Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Back to another tutorial. In this video, I just tell you how to bypass iCloud ID iPhone XR up to 16 Pro Max and any iPad like 8th generation up to any mobile you can bypass. So now this is you can see this is a iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I will show you how to bypass. So personally I use one tools. Today I'll show you how to use for bypass iCloud ID. Right now, if you watch this video, when you try to buy from our website, almost $15 for you. Okay, so another time if you need to buy like 1 week later, 2 week later, maybe will $100. So right now, if you have any iPhone and you have any MacBook operating system, you can bypass with low price. Okay, so now I'm going to show you any iPhone and iPad. When you bypass iCloud ID, so you must need to connect Wi-Fi before bypass. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to work. And some China devices not supported, like, but if you have iPad also supported. But this is a I show you how work these devices China region. Okay, as you can see inside lock iCloud ID. So open bestoffunlock.com, or if you have any account skynet.com, you can visit. Open browser and click enter. I will show you. Okay, so skynet.com. I will show you step by step. So first I visit skynet.com because I show you how to order when you try to bypass iCloud ID. Okay, this is a completely guide for you easy. So you need to log in your account. Okay, log in your account. If any problem, so click here support and message us on WhatsApp. So now I click here. After login, click here and select IME service and wait sometimes and click here. As you can see here, group and free, A12 free. That means here low prices you can work. Before 2 days ago we completely free for everyone, but now paid. Here more tools available. So I personally provide. You can use this tool. I removal tools for Mac operating system. So now I'll show you. Click here. There are more tools available. Which one you need to work this? So I click here. Normally low price for distributor user. Okay, not end user. If you need to work, $15 need to pay when you try to work bypass. If offers, then you can bypass with low price. I show click here. Okay, and another option you can also work if you don't have Binance accounts. So I just show you how to work another website, bestoffunlock.com. Okay, click here, and this website you can use your credit card, debit card like that. Click here. Okay, and click here IME service, same like, but this is another website. As you can see here, more tools and more tools available. Okay, I select this one and submit and will work. Okay, so click here and need to enter IME number for activate. Okay, so I just copy and copy serial number. Need to full flash with latest version iOS 26.0.1 and paste your serial number here. Okay, simple, no need to any problem. If you have MacBook, just follow me and place the order. And need to create account, add credit and work. Both website available. So in my case, my devices is completely activate before, because you can work instant. Okay, within 10 minutes. So minimize, and I just show you. Okay, another tool, I mean error like that when you try to bypass 10 times try, then will work. So this is better for you, I think so. Wait and see. Check compatible. So here showing internet connection error. If coming like that, you don't take tension, I just show you. Okay, and I just show you how to work. Here need to connect Wi-Fi, must connect internet. Okay, without internet you will not successful. If internet not have, will not working in tool. If you not connect internet, will not successful. Okay, so now as you can see here showing internet address, please try again. Okay, so I just close this one and open here. Internet is okay right now. I just check again, close and open. Okay, just wait and see. As you can see, I just restart my MacBook, then I just reconnect. As you can see, connect. As you can see, connect. So it will automatically connect. Okay, so if you have problem like that, so you try to like that. So I just show you how to work. Okay, so now as you can see, I just click here start button, because I already activate my serial number from scanatl.com or besttimesonline.com, or click start. Now as you can see, do not connect hotspot. Okay, only connect Wi-Fi high speed, and click here. So as you can see, I will show you inside iCloud lock, and within 5 minutes automatically bypass done. I hope I will show you. If automatically restart your devices like that, so don't take tension. Okay, I just show you how to work. Okay, because more people don't know how it try to work. It's automatically restart. People thinks this is maybe problem software. What is this? Why going automatically restart? So you don't take tension. You must connect Wi-Fi. Okay, must connect Wi-Fi. Maybe 3-4 times automatically restart your iPhone or iPad. As you can see, it's bypass done, but I am waiting for finish. It's done. Okay, so like that you can bypass your iCloud ID with this tool. Okay, now promo offer, you can work from bestoffunlock.com or scanatl.com as you wish. Now I will show you. As you can see, I just show you. Okay, click here. As you can see, bypass done. So like that you can bypass your devices without any problem, and it's a very good tool. I show you. As you can see, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I bypass with this device. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.